never mind, it'll be fixed. Now the wind has picked up, it's coming from that direction, which is from the east. Well, now I'm going to put a camera, a go-to in it, to see where I've cut the hole out there, and it fits snugly right there with the lens on the extreme left side, so it should give us some view. You can see it goes in and just pushes straight in there like so. Still climbing, so I've just got to adjust that. Very fast on the takeoff, very fast on the landing, and with the motor cut, it seems to come in very, very quick. Well, I've moved from over there to over here. Much better area here to fly this little aircraft. See, I've got a camera mounted. It's an 808-32 just on top of the canopy. See what that looks like. We'll get a little bit of a flight there. That's better. She's a fast little flyer, this one. And I've got an 1800 battery in it, Turnigy 1800 battery. Let's bring it down low. Very sprightly. Here we are. Let's bring her here. Get her a bit lower.
Landing mode. Cruise mode.
Wind is just picking up now, so it's flicking it around. It's only a small aircraft, remember. Very tiny aircraft. And we'll drop the flaps right down and see how slow she comes by. It's a nice little aircraft for the price. Quite inexpensive. Flaps up. The receiver I have in it, as I've mentioned before, is an AR630, and it gives me the ability of safe as well.
Landing mode. Cruise mode. Launch mode.
Okay, and it was interesting to put a camera in the cockpit to make that area in the cockpit fit my go-to, and that was a wonderful time to be able to do and put that in the aircraft itself. That was tried out at the other spot over yonder earlier on. Okay, the wind is coming from behind me, so here we go. Flaps down.
Landing flaps. Landing mode. Cruise mode.
Now I'll come up and land closer to you. It's landing miles away, you can't see it.
Landing mode.
I'm going to get in that dirt. Let's get it on that grass. Yes.
Landing
Oh, the smoke. Oh. dust there. Thanks for watching, everyone. Hope that you have a great week wherever you are, and we'll see you with some new videos and some new aircraft very soon. Bye now.